Thank you for your purchase of Rabbit 3-in-1 Ride-On. This ride-on comes with attractive looks, sturdy body base, storage space under seat, footrest, parental handle control. This ride-on can be assembled by using these parts. You also need a piler and a screwdriver. To begin the assembling, take the main body and insert front fork complete to main body. In the next step, place steering to front fork complete. Fix steering with the help of nut and bolt. It's time to place backrest to the main body. You can lock it by pushing it to the provided locks. Now open battery cap, insert 2 AA batteries to activate light and music. In the next step, fit hand rest with the backrest at 180 degrees on both sides. You can easily lock it with steering just by pushing it a little. In the final step, fit parental handle to the backrest with the help of push button on the handle. Your beautiful Rabbit 3-in-1 Ride-On is now ready to use. Funride, a ride of happiness.